guys, welcome back. I've been seeing this on YouTube and I wanted to try it. It's called Cozy Coffee, and I like my coffee, and in particular about it, I do love a Starbucks latte. So I'm gonna try this. Supposedly the claim is you won't miss the coffee house coffee once you have this. So we're going to start with a powdered non-dairy creamer. You need 2 cups. This is 2 cups, so I'm just going to dump it all in here. And then we're going to need 1.5 cup of hot cocoa mix. And this is a 1/2 cup measure, so we'll do 3 of these. Alright, and then we need 1.5 cup of instant coffee. One half, 1 cup, and 1/2. And then we need 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to be using monk fruit. I'm actually surprised it takes that much because your hot cocoa mix is pre-sweetened, but we're going to go with the recipe. There's 1 cup, and let me just grab a half. And then the last ingredient seems odd to me, but it is a teaspoon of cinnamon, and they say don't leave it out. It just adds a little something. So there's our teaspoon. Now it's pretty dense, but I'm going to see if we can just use the whisk to mix it up. I'm not pulling up any non-dairy creamer that didn't get mixed in. Alright, so I'm going to grab a mug and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've started with 2 tablespoons of the mix in my cup, and I'm just going to grab the tea kettle. I guess it's to your taste on how strong you want it. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Let me just take a little taste. Okay, that's not bad. So now I have this 0 sugar creamer. It is, let's see, Italian sweet cream. Supposedly use whatever you like. Stir it in. And then top it with some whipped topping. I want to put my lid on, so I'm not going to go any taller. But if you were having some friends over and you wanted to be cute and had it in a regular mug, you could really, you know, get that whipped topping on there. I just want to give it a little bit of a stir, but I don't want to. Again, in this one, it's not going to matter what it looks like. And if you were going to serve it in mugs to your guest, you could put cocoa powder, sprinkle it on, or more of the cinnamon if you're a cinnamon lover. Now, I'm just going to put my lid on, so it honestly did not matter at all. I could have used a spoonful of Cool Whip. And just going to try it. And does anybody else watch Maine Cabin Masters? I like this little mug. It's nice to keep at my desk. Okay, so I'm going to give it a quick taste. And I will say, it's very good. It is actually very, very good. The cinnamon really worried me, but I think there's so little in it that it's not going to overwhelm you. But you can tell that there's just a little something there. You wouldn't automatically think I taste cinnamon, but you do taste a little something. You know there's something there. So this is a very good recipe. I'm impressed. I went into it very skeptical, but I would highly recommend it. If you're a coffee drinker, definitely try this. I'll see you guys next week.